Ever found yourself caught short on cash, maybe between paychecks or facing an unexpected expense? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to get access to your earned income early? That's where Beforepay comes in. Beforepay is an innovative financial wellness platform that allows eligible employees to access a portion of their earned wages before their regular payday. Think of it as a responsible way to bridge the gap between paychecks, giving you the flexibility to cover unexpected costs or simply enjoy a little extra peace of mind. It's pretty straightforward. After you sign up and get approved, you can typically access a portion of your earned wages, usually up to 50%, through the Beforepay app or website. The amount you can access will depend on factors like your employment history and income. Beforepay is not a loan. It's an advance on your own earnings, so there are no interest charges or hidden fees. You simply repay the amount you access, plus a small service fee, on your next payday. It's designed to be a responsible and affordable way to access your own money when you need it. Beforepay is primarily designed for employed individuals who are looking for a responsible and convenient way to access their earned wages early. It can be particularly beneficial for those who experience unexpected expenses. Car repairs, medical bills, or home emergencies can easily disrupt your budget. Need to cover essential costs. If you're facing a tight cash flow situation, Beforepay can help you cover essential expenses like groceries or rent. Want to avoid late fees. If you're struggling to make ends meet before your next payday, Beforepay can help you avoid late fees on bills. Prefer a responsible alternative to payday loans. Unlike payday loans, Beforepay doesn't involve high interest rates or predatory lending practices. Beforepay can be a valuable tool for many people, but it's important to consider whether it's the right choice for your financial situation. Assess your budget. Before using Beforepay, carefully review your budget to ensure you can comfortably repay the amount you access on your next payday. Compare fees. Compare Beforepay's service fees with other options, such as overdraft fees or payday loans. Consider your financial goals. Beforepay can be a helpful tool for managing short-term cash flow needs, but it's not a long-term solution for financial problems. Beforepay offers a convenient and potentially helpful way to access your earned wages early. However, it's crucial to use it responsibly and within your budget. Always repay on time. Late fees can quickly add up and negate the benefits of using Beforepay. Use it for unexpected expenses. While Beforepay can be used for any purpose, it's generally best to use it for unexpected expenses or to cover essential costs. Avoid relying on it as a long-term solution. Beforepay is intended to be a short-term solution for cash flow needs. If you're facing ongoing financial challenges, consider seeking professional financial advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.